Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, let's open up our settings. Gonna scroll down to, not in here, I think it's device care. Yep, so device care, here you want to select storage, give it a second, and first page you will see your internal storage, which is the storage of the phone itself. So you want to swipe to the left, and then this displays your SD card. Here you can click on the three dots and select format. It does give you a pop-up message letting you know that formatting will erase everything that is on the card. So if you keep any kind of data on it that you want to preserve, make a backup copy of it to something else, like your computer as an example. Anyway, from there you can select format, give it a second. It will remove it from being shown up in here for the moment, and as you can see, it's now back up. So there we go, fully formatted and ready to be used once again. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.